Imagine the smallest, most abundant element in the universe, a building block of a star and the fuel of the future, hydrogen. This tiny atom holds the key to some of the biggest questions in science and technology, from powering the sun to being the potential solution to our energy crisis. Hydrogen is the true marvel of nature. Today we are going to uncover the secret of hydrogen and explore why it's such a fascinating and essential element. Hello science enthusiasts, welcome back to SWA, where we are explore the wonders of molecular biology, biophysics, biosensors, and radiation. I am Ayub Basri, and today we are diving into the incredible work of hydrogen. Whether you are a seasoned scientist or simply curious about the universe, this video will give you a deep understanding of hydrogen's role in the cosmos and its potential in our future. Let's start by exploring the history of hydrogen's discovery. The story begins in the late 17th century with the work of English scientist Robert Boyle, who concluded experiment with what he called inflammable air. However, it wasn't until the mid 18th century that hydrogen was officially recognized as a distinct element. In 1766, the British scientist Henry Cavendish was the first to isolate hydrogen in pure form by reacting metal with acid. He called it inflammable air because it burns when it ignites. Cavendish's experiment laid the foundation for our understanding of hydrogen, and in 1783, Antoine Lavoisier, the father of modern chemistry, named it hydrogen, which means water former in Greek. This name was chosen because hydrogen, when burned in oxygen, produces water. Since its discovery, hydrogen has been at the center of scientific inquiry. Its role in the composition of a star, its potential as a clean energy source, and its fundamental importance in chemistry make hydrogen a truly extraordinary element. So, what exactly is hydrogen? Hydrogen is the simplest and lightest element on the periodic table, consisting of just one proton and one electron. Despite its simplicity, hydrogen is incredibly versatile. It's most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its elemental mass. In its atomic form, hydrogen is a single proton with an electron orbiting it. But in nature, hydrogen is rarely found as a single atom. It usually exists as a diatomic molecule, H2, meaning two hydrogen atoms bonded together covalently. This bond is covalent, where each hydrogen atom shares its single electron with the other, creating a stable pair. Hydrogen's properties are fascinating. It's a colorless, odorless, and highly flammable gas at room temperature. But perhaps what makes hydrogen truly special is its role in the universe. In a star, including our sun, hydrogen undergo nuclear fusion, where they combine to form helium, releasing enormous amount of energy in the process. This fusion process is what powers the sun and provide the energy necessary for life on Earth. On Earth, hydrogen is also a key player in countless chemical reactions. It forms compounds with almost every other element, including water, H2O, methane, CH4, and ammonia, NH3. Hydrogen is also central to acid and base, where it exists as the hydrogen ion play a crucial role in pH balance and chemical reactivity. You can watch my video about water and describing the pH effect on my channel. As mentioned earlier, the discovery of hydrogen as an element is credited to Henry Cavendish in 1766. Cavendish experiments were groundbreaking for his time. By reacting zinc with hydrochloric acid, he produced a gas that he recognized as different from other known gases. He noted its lightness and its ability to burn with a faint blue flame, characteristics that set hydrogen apart. Cavendish also discovered that when hydrogen burned in air, it produced water. This observation was crucial in debunking the ancient Greek theory that water was a fundamental element. Instead, Cavendish showed that water was a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. This finding was later confirmed and explained by Antoine Lavoisier, who named the element hydrogen and helped establish modern understanding of chemistry. These early experiments with hydrogen not only advanced the field of chemistry, but also laid the groundwork for future discoveries, including the development of the hydrogen fuel cell and the exploration of hydrogen as a clean energy source. Hydrogen's uses as diverse as they are important. In industry, hydrogen is used primarily in production of ammonia through the Haber process, which is essential for fertilizer. It's also used in oil refining, where it helps remove sulfur from fuels, and in the production of methanol and other chemicals. But perhaps the most exciting application of hydrogen is in the field of energy. Hydrogen fuel cells are promising technology that can generate electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen with water being the only byproduct. This makes hydrogen an incredibly clean energy source with the potential to power everything from cars to entire city without emitting greenhouse gases. Hydrogen is also used in a space industry as a rocket fuel. The Saturn V rocket, which took astronauts to the moon, used liquid hydrogen as a propellant. The energy density of hydrogen makes it ideal for applications where high energy and low weight are crucial. In the field of medicine, hydrogen is being explored for its potential therapeutic effect, reaching is ongoing into the use of hydrogen gas as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, with studies suggest it could have benefit in treating conditions like oxidative stress and inflammation. Now let's dive deeper into the advanced concept related to hydrogen. One of the most intriguing aspects of hydrogen is its role in quantum mechanics. The hydrogen atom with its single electron is the simplest atom to study, and as such it has been the subject of many experiments that have helped us understanding quantum theories. The famous Schrödinger equation, which describes how the quantum state of system change over the time, was first applied to the hydrogen atom, providing insight into the nature of electron orbitals. Another advanced topic is hydrogen's role in development of the universe. In the first few minutes after Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense plasma of protons, neutrons, and electrons. As the universe cooled, these particles combined to form hydrogen atom, which eventually led to the formation of stars and galaxies. Hydrogen is not only the building block of the stars, but also of the heavier elements that were forged in the core of a star through nuclear fusion. In terms of energy, potential of hydrogen as a clean and renewable energy source is immense. Researchers are exploring various methods of producing hydrogen sustainably, such as electrolysis, where water is split into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity from renewable sources like solar or wind power. This green hydrogen could play a crucial role in decarbonizing industries that are currently reliant on fossil fuels. However, the widespread adoption of hydrogen as an energy source faces challenges. Storing and transporting hydrogen safely and efficiently is difficult due to its low density and high flammability. Advances in material science, such as development of new storage material and fuel cells, are critical to overcome these challenges and making hydrogen a viable alternative to fossil fuels. In conclusion, hydrogen is an element of profound importance, from its role in the early universe to its potential as a future energy source. Its simplicity and versatility make it a cornerstone of both our understanding of the natural world and our technological advancement. As we continue to explore the secret of hydrogen, we uncover few possibilities for science industry and the future of our planet. If you are as fascinated by hydrogen as I am, and if you have any question or topic you'd like me to cover in the future videos, please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps shape the content of this channel, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SWA for more deep dives into the wonders of science. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the secret of the universe.